Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you AllTrails how to create a map. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in AllTrails and then hit enter and then click on the AllTrails link. Now once you're here, what you need to do is first log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do here in order to create a map is simply click on save. And then there you'll find the option that says maps right here, or my map. And once you click on it, here you will be sent to the my maps section, and there you'll find the option that says create map. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, here you can either draw on a map or upload from file as well, and you can also select by simply scouting the areas with which you want to draw. Let me just assume I'll select this one. So what you need to do is just simply click on draw on map, and here what you need to do first is just select a point right here. Let me just select right here, and then all you gotta do is select the endpoint. First you have selected the start point, now select the endpoint like here, and you can see the trial has been, and now all you gotta do is click on save custom map, and that's basically how you can do it. And you can save as well, and you can give directions or download route or print map as well. So that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.